Welcome back to another exciting episode. As you saw in our last episode, we were at the Virginia Aquarium, and we have left the north building and are now out on the nature trail to the south building. But this nature trail is like no other trail you've seen before. Just ask the great horned owl. They know.
Who? Me?
As you walk down the path, you will eventually figure out you're not alone. There be trolls in these woods. At the time we were at this trail, they had a special exhibit called Trolls, Save the Humans. This is where you get to meet 6 giant trolls that have taken up residence at the Virginia Aquarium and Marine Science Center. And the goal of this troll tribe is to help humans rediscover nature and inspire us to be good stewards of the earth. And they do have these little side trails off the main trail. Kind of like little side adventures. So check them out. These trolls, they tend to feature unique personalities, and each troll brings a story to tell the humans. The exhibit features Thomas Dambo's, and I believe I'm saying that correctly, Dambo or Dambo, his signature folklore-inspired troll sculptures built from reclaimed materials. Thomas Dambo's vision is to create art that will inspire people to go explore nature and demonstrate how trash can be upcycled into something beautiful and unique. These outdoor exhibitions fuses fairy tales, whimsy, and incredible art installations to inspire visitors to explore things such as art, nature, poetry, folklore, and sustainability. Each troll does have a name. I'm going to see if I can remember the names once we get to them. The troll with the outstretched arms and holding a flag is called Ranja Redeye. He is considered the speaker troll and considered to be the best communicator among the traveling troll tribe. The troll standing up holding a birdhouse is called Libby Pip, their birdhouse troll. Now Libby Pip tries to communicate with humans through colorful birdhouses. She's observed how humans use them to bring wildlife closer to them. And so she thinks more birdhouses could awaken humans' compassion for their natural surroundings. The troll that seems to be gawking at a red car is Rosa Sunfinger. She is the botanist troll. She's a bit of an introverted troll, but she expresses herself through the care for plants using her life-giving fingers. She spreads her wisdom by showing how plants can make even the most useless item come back to life. This troll, who seemingly is just sitting down, relaxing, with his foot up in the air, is called Bassie Buller, the painting troll. Now, Bassie Buller is a wild child who spreads his message in mud paint and expresses himself through nature, including stones, leaves, and sticks. He does this to lead humans on the right path. The troll, kneeling down with its ear to the ground, is called Sophus Lotus, the listening troll. Now, Sophus Lotus is a listener who pays attention to the little things. He was first to notice something was wrong with the world, that nature was changing. He doesn't make a fuss. He just listens and remains mindful of nature and its beings.
Because the nature trail closes at 4:40, it said.
Kamakan, who is the closest troll to the South Campus, is the trash troll. Now, Kamakan is a creator. Where humans see trash, she sees potential and wants to teach the humans not to throw away things quite so fast, but instead to get creative with colorful plastics, such as using them to create necklaces. Within this trail, you will also see the Adventure Park. It's an adventure park that has different levels of expertise. Honestly, at my age,
Zip lines. Oh
I
my goodness.
really didn't have a desire to go up there, and neither did Luann or Elias, so we skipped that part. So I don't have too much to report on that. However, you can research it on your own if you wish. But don't forget to come back, because the next episode, we're going to go to the Virginia Aquarium South Campus. Just wait until you see what's in there. It is gonna be awesome. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Now remember, come back for the next episode because there's much more to see. As always, have a great day.